CMMC certification requires defense contractors to meet an extensive set of cybersecurity criteria. We encourage defense contractors to consider the following best practices when pursuing CMMC compliance and ultimately CMMC certification. 1. Select the appropriate CMMC level based on the sensitivity of the data your organization handles. 2. Evaluate your cybersecurity maturity, policies, network security, access controls, and incident response readiness. 3. Align with established frameworks like NIST 800-171, ISO 27001, and FedRAMP to streamline compliance. 4. Create a system security plan and a plan of action and milestones to track cybersecurity gaps and remediation efforts. 5. Engage a CMMC third-party assessor organization to guide compliance and conduct assessments. 6. As certification can take up to a year, allocate sufficient time and budget. 7. Keep track of progress, update documentation as needed, and ensure compliance with evolving regulations. Finally, 8. Plan for recurring assessments and ongoing security improvements to maintain certification. To learn more about CMMC compliance, please visit kiteworks.com.